Hi there, this is a review of the LG GSL 32 SW BQV American style fridge freezer. After looking on some websites, I made sure of the dimensions and that the appliance would fit comfortably. What I didn't think of was the weight of the appliance. I was actually told by the delivery driver that it weighed 15 stone, certainly believable due to its size. I was surprised how easily it slid across the floor when putting it into place. This happened quite easily, and I was able to tighten the feet by removing a flimsy bit of plastic at the bottom here, which is just like a strip across the fridge, and that can be taken off easily. Firstly, I'm just going to tell you a bit about the main feature of the appliance. I think one of the best. I'm yet to get this connected, but it's actually an ice cube dispenser. As you can see here, you've got a display screen which tells you the temperature of the freezer and the temperature of the fridge. You've got some options below where you can turn on this light, which lights up the ice cube dispenser. You've got your temperature here for your fridge, which you can change. Over here you've got your ice and water, which will obviously come through the dispenser, and your freezer temperature, which you can also change. Over here you've got express freezer. Basically what this does is adds a bit more chill, so you can press and hold that for a few seconds and that'll come on, and you can switch it back off also. First thoughts of this appliance was it has a great black shiny finish, it's well built and it's very smart. The surface does however pick up fingerprints, but it's easily cleaned with a damp cloth. The handles are quite sturdy, so you need to give a bit of a pull. That opens up there. It's nicely lit up with bright super LED lights, so it's nice and bright, it's very spacious. Another great thing it has is a multi-airflow system at the back, which basically just flows out cold air so it keeps your food fresher for longer. Also down below is a salad compartment which is easily pulled down. Slide out nice and easily. As you can see, there's a lot of depth there, so there's plenty of room for them items to go. On the right hand side is where I keep my eggs, as it's meant to keep them fresher for longer. Overall I think it's a good size, very good size, spacious, nice and bright, lots of room for food items to go. As you can hear there, it's alerting me now that the door's been open for longer than a minute and it needs to be closed. I find this is a useful thing to have, as sometimes the door's left open by accident. Lastly, I'm just going to show you the left hand side of the appliance, which is where the freezer is located at. Now, when I first saw the freezer, I won't lie, I was a bit worried as I thought it'd be too small, but since coming to fill it up, it's got plenty of storage in it. For instance, you've got these compartments over here on the back of the door for your smaller items to go, your boxed items. You've also got two drawers down below which are easily opened. Plenty of space in there. Up above you've got 3 glass shelves, and as you can see it's quite deep, so there's plenty of room for food to go. Up above you've got your super LED lights which light up the freezer nicely. Another good thing about this appliance is that the temperature is sustained throughout, so that you don't get any cold spots or warm spots. It's just constant average temperature, which is really good. As you can hear there, again it's alerting me that I need to close the door as it's been longer than a minute. Overall, I think this appliance is absolutely brilliant. It's smart, it's modern. Best of all, it holds a lot of space in the fridge and the freezer. The temperature's sustained throughout. You can even change the temperature and put it on express freeze if you want it a bit more cooler. Also, you've got your multi airflow inside the fridge, which blows cold air around to keep that food fresher for longer. I'm very happy with this appliance and I would definitely recommend it to anybody. Thank you for watching my review.